RCA User's Manual Compact RF Modulator Model CRF907A. Introduction. Your video RF modulator is designed to convert the separate audio and video signals from a DVD player, video camera, computer, or gaming device into VHF TV signals that you can view on a TV. Required parts. The following items, not supplied, are required to connect your RF modulator to a video input source in your TV. One audio/video shielded cable with 3 phono connectors at each end. If the video source's audio output is stereo, or one audio/video shielded cable with 2 phono connectors at each end if the video source's audio output is mono. One 75 ohm coaxial cable with F-type connectors, a 75 ohm to 300 ohm matching transformer if your TV does not have a VHF 75 ohm F connector input. Note: the audio signal will be modulated to mono, whether the video source is stereo or mono. Note to the CATV system installer. This reminder is provided to call the CATV system installer's attention to Article 82022 of the NEC that provides guidelines for proper grounding and, in particular, specifies that the cable ground shall be connected to the grounding system of the building, as close to the point of cable entry as practical. Connections. Follow these steps to connect your RF modulator. 1. If your video source is stereo, plug the connectors on one end of a stereo AV cable into the video and audio input jacks on the RF modulator. Plug the connectors on the cable's other end into video and audio output jacks on the video source, using the color coding on the connectors as a guide. If your video source is mono, plug the connectors on one end of an AV cable into the video and audio input jacks on the RF modulator, using either the audio R or L jack. Plug the cable's other ends into the video and audio jacks on the video source. 2. Connect the 75 ohm coaxial cables to the RF modulator following these guidelines. If your TV is already connected to another VHF input source, such as cable, an antenna, or a VCR, for example, disconnect the VHF input source's 75 ohm cable from the TV's 75 VHF/UHF terminal and reconnect it to the RF modulator's ANT-in. Then connect a 75 ohm coaxial cable between the TOTV terminal on the RF modulator and the 75 ohm VHF/UHF terminal on your TV. If your TV is not already connected to another VHF source, connect a 75 ohm coaxial cable between the TOTV terminal on the RF modulator and the 75 ohm VHF/UHF terminal on your TV. Note: if your TV has only 300 ohm VHF screw terminals, use a 75 ohm to 300 ohm matching transformer to complete the connection. 3. Plug the RF modulator's power adapter into a standard AC outlet and plug the adapter's output cable into the modulator. Note: this power unit is intended to be correctly oriented in a vertical or floor mount position. Operation. 1. Turn on the TV and set it to either channel 3 or 4, whichever is not used for regular broadcasts in your area. Set the RF modulator's channel 3/4 switch to the same channel you set the TV, 3 or 4. Care. To enjoy your RF modulator for a long time, keep the modulator dry. Use and store the modulator openly and indoors. Handle the modulator gently and carefully. Don't drop it. Modifying or tampering with the modulator's internal components can cause a malfunction and invalidate its warranty and void your FCC authorization to operate it. Thank you.